What's going on, guys? Billy here with billyshultzmusic, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Comfortable by H.E.R. If you're new here, click that subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner of this video, as well as the notification bell, that way you never miss a new tutorial. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar, along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so if you want some free stuff, stick around to the end of the video. I get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay, you guys, this song is in standard tuning, and you're using 4 different chords that you're just picking through. They just repeat throughout the entire song. As always, if you need the chord diagrams, you can find them in the free ebook that's in the video description, as well as you can find the guitar tab that I made for you guys in the video description as well. So if you need either of those are waiting for you in the video description once you get done. So your first chord is going to be F minor. It's 1, 3, 3, 1, 1, 1. You're going to bar the entire first fret with your index finger, ring finger 3rd fret A string, pinky finger 3rd fret D string. Next, you're going to go to this version of a C minor. It's technically a C7 sus2, and it sounds really complicated, but it's very simple. You're just going to bar the entire 3rd fret with your index finger, starting on the A string. You don't have to play anything on the low E here. Start on the A string, bar the entire 3rd fret, and then put your ring finger on the 5th fret of the D string. Next, you're going to go G minor 7. It's basically that same exact formation, just move everything down 1 string to where you are now barring the entire 3rd fret with your index finger, and your ring finger is going to go 5th fret A string. Now finally, we're going to go to an E diminished, which is going to be index finger 2nd fret on your D string, ring finger 3rd fret on your G string, middle finger 2nd fret on your B string, pinky finger 3rd fret on your high E. So 2, 3, 2, 3. Sounds like. And you're not playing the low E or the A, you're just playing the top 4 strings there. And then finally, you do really quickly switch to a G diminished at the very end of this before it all repeats. That same exact formation, slide it down starting on the 5th fret. So you're going 5, 6, 5, 6. D string 5th fret, G string 6th fret, B string 5th fret, E string 6th fret. So again, that's E diminished, G diminished. Once you get the chords down, we'll jump into the picking pattern. Starting with your F minor, you're going to pick low E, A, D, G. Just your bottom 4 strings, just 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, E, A, D, G. And you can pick, technically you should pick your thumb, E, A, D, and your index finger on G, but I've been picking it just thumb, index, middle, ring, whatever's comfortable. Again, I'm doing thumb for E, index finger on A, middle finger on D, ring finger on G. And then just take your hand off to mute it, because they just play it quickly, they pluck it and they stop it by muting it. Then go to that C, and you're picking the same exact thing, just starting on the A string. So A, D, G, B. And I'm using my same fingers, just thumb, index, middle, ring, and then muting again. Then G, your G minor 7, same exact thing as your F, E, A, D, G, and you're muting again. And then finally, for your E diminished, you're doing the same exact thing. You're picking the D, G, and B, and then strumming all 4, and then jumping down to the G diminished and strumming all 4. So 1, 2, 3, just down strums. 1, 2, 3, down, down. So again, D, G, B, all 4, all 4. So now I'm going to play through all this very, very slowly so you can really see what it looks like, starting with your F minor. Now you can just play that over and just repeat that throughout the entire song. That will work. Every second time they play this, so they play that through one time, then when they play it again the second time, there is on the F, there's a little hammer on and pull off that they do. I'll show you guys what's going on there. So you're picking the same way on your F minor, just E, A, D, and then pick that G. Use your pinky to hammer on to 3 on the G, pull off, pinky back on D, and you pluck the D string. So again, E, A, D, G, hammer on to 3 on G, pull off back to 1 on G, back to 3 on D. So in context of the song, that looks like and then that entire thing just repeats. So now I'll play through it slowly a few times through so you can really see what the entire thing looks like. Here it is. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Now, the way the giveaways are going to work is each month I'm going to pick 2 winners. One is going to receive a guitar accessories kit that has a capo, a guitar strap, guitar picks, everything that you need in there as a beginner. And the second winner is going to win a free t-shirt from my Billy Schultz Music merch site. And then once the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'm going to be picking one of you lucky winners to receive a free brand new acoustic guitar. Now, all you have to do to enter the giveaways is like this video, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and leave a comment down below for a song that you want me to teach you on guitar. Now, turning on notifications is extremely important because each month I'm going to be live streaming the monthly giveaways, and then once I do the guitar giveaway, I'm going to live stream that as well, and to get notified, you gotta have those notifications turned on. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at billyshultzmusic. The more that I see you guys, the more it's going to increase your chances of winning one of these prizes. Thank you guys so much. I can't say it enough. I appreciate all the support and I appreciate all the love, and I can't wait to give away these prizes. So keep liking, subscribe to the channel, turn on those notifications, keep putting those comments down below, and I will see you guys in the next video.